Hello guys, so back to my video. So today we're going to play Easy Tower. So anyways guys, so if you wanna see more videos on channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also I'm going to beat it. So I'm going to have a 600 subscriber. On the 700 subscriber I think. So anyways, we're going to beat that game. And there's so many ladders in there. So, bro, I think it's easy. I think it's easy guys. I think I'm not gonna jump, I think. So I'm going to jump. So anyways, like and subscribe and also I'm going to beat that game. Hey, what is on? No. She's so fast. That I can hit the beat it, I guess. Come on. Come on. The block. Run! Run guys, run! Rescue the black girl. You black girl. Look, she's a black girl, guys. I think. Hey, you girl, come back here. I'm going to beat you. Ha, she fell. Okay, let's go. How about we just cheat? We can just cheat on purpose, guys. Okay. Wait, can I choose whatever I want? I don't know. So I'm going to not wait for the black girl. I think she's gonna cheat. Because how can I beat it? Because I can now beat it so much. Because this is the easy game that I can just beat it. If I beat it, you have to subscribe. And also hit the notification. Also I have this stick. That means I have flashlight, I think. So otherwise we're going to beat that game for the easy game. The easy mode, I think, guys. The easy mode that I wanted to beat it. So otherwise this is the easy and that I wanted to beat it so far. I have a lot of likes of this. I have a lot of likes, so I wanted to beat that game or just cheat whatever I want. Oh my god, easy. It's not hard. It's easy. It's now on hard. It's now on. Hey, you trying me, huh? Hey, bro, what's wrong? What's wrong with the girl, huh? Ha, she fell. I don't care. Let's go. I'm going to beat her. Let's beat her so much. Let's go. Let me beat her. I said let me beat her. Come on, let me beat her. I'm so fast and she's slow. I'm going to beat her. Hi. Hi. Hi, girlhead. Hi, girlhead, or else I will beat you. I will beat you, huh? What? This one. Oh, is this part? This right? Hey, girl, boy, or else I'll beat you. I'm going to beat you. Bro, do not. It's hard. Bro, I'm so lagging. Stop lagging. Bro. Go. Bro, how can I do that? Bro, why I'm lagging? Why I'm lagging out of nowhere? But I need to end, but I don't know. So, you know what? I'm going to end. So, anyways, this tablet sucks. So, goodbye, guys.